The role of protein in weight loss, the secret fuel you're missing. Imagine eating more and still losing weight. Sounds impossible, right? But here's the truth, the secret to sustainable fat loss might not be eating less, but eating smarter. And that secret weapon? Protein. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how protein transforms your body into a fat-burning machine. Have you ever wondered how some people seem to stay lean no matter what? They eat full meals, feel satisfied, and yet never seem to gain weight. It's not just good genes. It's good nutrition, and protein plays the starring role. When you eat protein, your body gets to work. Unlike carbs or fats, protein takes longer to digest, meaning you feel fuller for longer. But here's the real magic, protein helps preserve and build lean muscle mass. And muscle is like an internal furnace, it burns calories even while you rest. So, the more muscle you have, the more calories your body burns, all day long. Protein has what scientists call a high thermic effect of food, or TEF. That means your body actually burns more calories digesting protein than it does digesting carbs or fats. In numbers, you burn up to 25 to 30% of the calories from protein just by processing it. So, when you eat 100 calories of chicken, your body only absorbs about 70 to 75 of them, the rest are burned off as heat. Here's a trap many dieters fall into. They slash calories, but also slash protein. The result? They lose muscle instead of fat. And when the muscle goes down, metabolism slows, making it even harder to lose weight. The solution? Don't just eat less, eat right. Let's test it. 2 people, same calories. One eats pancakes and syrup. The other eats eggs and Greek yogurt. A few hours later, the pancake eater is hungry again, while the protein eater is still satisfied. That's the power of protein, it stabilizes blood sugar, reduces cravings. Here are some amazing protein-rich foods. Eggs, chicken breast, fish, Greek yogurt, lentils and beans, tofu and tempeh, for vegetarians, and even nuts and seeds, though in moderation. Each meal should have some form of protein, whether it's animal or plant-based. But don't go overboard. More protein doesn't always mean better. Balance is key. Too much protein without enough veggies, water, and fiber can stress your kidneys and slow digestion. The sweet spot? About 1.2 to 2 grams per kilogram of body weight, depending on your activity level. So stop fearing food, and start fueling your body intelligently. When you focus on protein, you're not just dieting, you're rebuilding. You're teaching your body to burn fat, protect muscle, and stay full naturally. The real secret to weight loss isn't suffering or starving, it's science. And protein is your ally in that journey. Eat smarter, move your body, and watch how the results follow. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more science-backed health and motivation content. And don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss another inspiring lesson from Study Vibe Network. Remember, it's not about eating less, it's about eating right.